This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start in Settings because Vivo hides the toggle inside Home Screen options. Open Settings, tap Home Screen and Lock Screen, then find Home Screen Style or Layout. Once you see the option, switch from App Drawer to Home Screen only or turn the drawer off. This forces every installed app to appear directly on the home screens. Make sure you also enable the Add icon to Home Screen toggle if available, so newly installed apps land on the home automatically. Now bring the remaining apps onto the home screens. Open the app drawer, long press an app icon, then drag it to the home page and drop where you want. Repeat for key apps. Once you're comfortable, tap Edit or Select Mode, if present, to multi-select several icons and move them in one action, which saves time. If your device supports gestures, pinch the home screen to enter Layout mode and arrange pages for neat grouping and efficient access. Finish by organizing. Create folders, tidy pages, and set your most used apps in the dock so everything is reachable. Make sure the Add icons to Home option stays enabled for future apps. If some apps still don't show, restart the phone first. If that fails, go to Settings Apps, reset Home Settings, or clear the Home Launcher cache to restore default behavior. If issues persist, check for system updates or contact Vivo support for launcher-specific bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.